Let's divide 322 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 322 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, 3. We look at the first digit of 322, which is 3. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 3. How many times does 2 go into 3? It goes in 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Write 2 below the 3. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. This is our remainder for this step. Great job, you're doing awesome. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit 2 to make 12. Next up we have the number 12. We need to figure out how many times 2 fits into 12. We bring down the next digit 2 next to our remainder 1, forming the new number 12. How many times does 2 go into 12? Think of your multiplication tables. It's 6 times. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Write 12 below the 12. Time to subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic work, you're crushing it. We have no remainder. Let's bring down the last digit 2 to see what happens next. Last step, we now have the number 2. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 2? We bring down the final digit 2. Now we need to divide 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, you got it. Let's check. 1 times 2 equals 2. Write 2 below the 2. Subtract again. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We're all done. Woohoo, you did it. That was amazing. And that's it. We've divided 322 by 2. The answer is 161. So 322 divided by 2 equals 161. We just learned how to divide 322 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like solving a puzzle, and you figured it out. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. Click here for more fun math videos on Let's Stud.